Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Piece. Guys, today I am on with what I believe is probably one of the most perplexing levels of, I don't really even know. I was in my garage earlier, and I know a while ago I had gone to a Popshelf that was going out of business in my area, and the lady told me that they were going to eventually have some more that were closing too. But at this time, there were a couple things that I had purchased. Now, I'm about to show you some stuff that I've had sitting in bags in my garage. I've never even shown you, but believe it or not, are still relevant for what's going on. I can't even believe it. So there was a Popshelf that closed in my area not even a while back, sometime over the summer. Let me show you how. Like, this is like not laying down flat like it probably should, because it's just been in there. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know I have 6 because one is somewhere upstairs in another room. And I was kind of trying to figure out, where did I get all of these from? I had got these from, I had gotten these self-healing cutting mats from Popshelf. I think these were maybe $1 or $2 when I got them. Another thing I ended up getting from Popshelf at the time, and this was, like I said, this was a few months ago. Believe it or not, I got these Agnes Dines, these winter floral paper charms. Now, on here it says $3. I didn't pay $3 for this. I think I probably paid 75 cents for these things. And they're showing you the different types of ways that you can use them. As we all know, I do junk journals. And when I was looking at this, when I purchased it for me to potentially maybe do something with it around the end of the year. Right now, I'm really like in a state of confusion. I'm really confused. Another thing I had gotten back then was this set of acrylic stamps and this little block. I think this was probably, honestly, was maybe 75 cents. I'm not just showing you this because I'm just showing you this. I'm showing you these things because they're going to be closing some more of the pop shelves too. And I'm showing you what I ended up getting. And so here's another thing that I had gotten too. Not just this regular notebook, thoughts and things. I had gotten a couple of these, but I didn't pay $4 for that. I got these Frank Lloyd Wright Geometry Travel Journals. I got a ton of these. Let me show you. I got a bunch of these. I had gotten 4, maybe 5 of these. I only paid maybe $1, maybe if $1 for them, because I know I intend to use them at some point in time. But what was really striking to me about these is that they have, like, the little signature on the side as well. So I had gotten several of these for $1. Once again, I'm showing you these because, 1, I just found it in my garage. But 2, I know that Popshelf is going to still have some other pop shelves to close. Here's something else too. I had purchased several of these from Popshelf. I had purchased several of these and they've just been sitting in the garage. Look, see how they look a little warped right now? See? They've just been sitting in there. I had no idea till I, just went out there a few minutes ago. Wow. To try to move some things around a little bit. I'm sure you guys listen to me a lot, so you can kind of tell. You can hear it in my voice. There's a level of perplexity going on with me right now. But, since I've got this right here, I might as well cover it. It says Cool Kids. I think at that time when I got this, when they were going out of business, and I think this was like in June, July. This was a few months ago, so it wasn't like it was last year. I got this, and I was going to give it to my grandbabies for them to work with. But these kids these days, a lot of them, they're just so caught into their video games and other stuff. So I don't know. I don't know. But guess what? I have these too. I think I probably paid $2 for these things at the time. I probably paid $2 for these things at the time. Let me show you something else. I went to Dollar Tree. Now this is how I can prove to you what I'm saying is really true. Let me find where I can. Okay, I'm gonna kind of do this to hide off the. Well, I don't know how to do this the best way. Okay, look. As you can see, here is the receipt. $7.19.25. You can see there's like the floral stitch journals, some butterflies with wings, fresh, what is that? Fresh storage slide. I think those are the little clear things I had gotten because I was trying to start working on getting organized. Well, you know, I'm behind on that. But as you can see, this was June, what's this? July 19, 2025. Let me show you what these are. And you can go back through my videos. You can clearly see I hadn't covered these with anybody. This was, and how much were these in? And you can see it too. This was before the $1.50 hike. These were $1.25. Okay, so let me show you. Because I'm no matter what, I'm always going into Dollar Tree and picking up these little stickers as well. And these little stickers as well. Forgive me. You're hearing me a level of excitement and perplexity and just confusion. Like, okay, what's really going on here? But these things are now starting to be at Ollie's for $1. Don't figure. I mean, I have like a little bin of all these types of Crafter's Square stickers and other things, but these too. And the notebooks that I referenced on the receipt a second ago, y'all, I think these things now are probably $1.50 or something. These, I got a bunch of these. I don't even know what, yep, I got a bunch of these. And that's what, you can see it on the receipt I just showed you. So you know I'm not just, not just fibbing you out here, but yep, yeah, I got a bunch of these. Y'all, let me tell you, we need, when we do this, when we do hauls and purchase things, what this is telling me is to really, really make part of the upcoming year. Make it my commitment to make sure that I get some things in order, because this is a lot of stuff to just not even know I even had somewhere, somehow. Then here's another one. I mean, I can't make it up. Here is my, you can see here's a receipt from June 19th. This is this year. Let me show you what it is. This fabric. Look at this. My word. Really? I know I'm not the only one. I know I am not the only person. Oh my gosh, I know I'm not the only person. And the last little thing, it's a bunch of it down here. I just refuse to even pull it all out. But I'm just standing here right now in mental state of shock. I guess I don't even know. I don't know. I can't even begin to make this up. I'm just trying to figure out which one I'm going to pull out so I can just let you see it and I sign off. But, as we're picking up things, all these wonderful things, remembering that we need to, oh my goodness, hold on a second here. Reminding ourselves that we need, you know what, forget it. Here it is. Look at these. I can't get these unstuck right. There we go. There we go. Look at here. These things were $1.49 when I got them. These were 99 cents. These were 99 cents when I got these. These were $1.24 when I got these. Oh my goodness. I mean, I won't even begin to try to touch on the rest of the things that are in this doggone bag. But I mean, this is just like a level of perplexity all over the place. So I guess the best thing for me to say is, as we're hauling, we need to really I'm not de-stashing these things, but I'm just surprised that I'm just surprised that I have these things. And I'm just saying to my wonderful crafty community, as we get our stuff, we gotta, I'm not trying to tell anybody what to do, but I know I need to be a little more. I've got to really get organized. So I will just say that as part of the upcoming year, while I'm doing D-stashes and while I'm doing ollie hops and things. Because everything I get, I feel like I need. I know I do, but I'm just saying, you know, guys, yeah. I'm laughing at myself, and I hope you're laughing at me with me too. At the end of the day, y'all, thank you for tuning in as I sorted this piece of confusion out for myself, and have a happy and safe have a safe day and take care.